Hello everyone, welcome to my channel once again. Today I have brought you the recipe of pasta. These are all the ingredients that we need for making this recipe of pasta. So here I am taking some pasta, that is fusili pasta, you can say see its shape. These are 2 medium sized onions, 2 medium sized tomatoes, pizza and pasta sauce, salt, ginger and curry patta. This is some tomato ketchup and some rye. These are also known as mustard seeds. Let's start. So now I am boiling here the pasta. I have boiled it for 5 minutes. You can see it has just become some cooked, but we need to boil it for more 10 minutes. Now I have boiled it for 15 minutes and now you can see it's cooked. So what we will do, we will just firstly check it. I'll show you how. We had took here a piece of pasta and we will just cut it with the knife. You can see it had cut nicely without any effort. And also you can see it just splits into 2 pieces. So it's cooked. Now what we will do, we will just put the flame off, and this is done. Now we will just sieve it in another container. You can see I have sieved it and let it cool. On the other hand, we will just go to our onions, tomatoes. So now here are onions, I have just chopped them. Now what I will do, I will just grind them in a mixer grinder and make a puree of them, and also the tomatoes. Firstly I will show you the onion puree. So this is the onion puree. You can see how nice it is. Now these tomatoes, I will turn them to puree. You can see the tomato puree too. It is fully just grinded nicely. Now we will just take a kadai, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in it. You can see my oil is heated. So what I will do, I will just add, this is ajwain and jeera mixed. These are 1 tablespoon. So we'll just let it sputter. So these are curry patta. I will just add 10 of them. These also sputters. We'll just do the flame off. Now these are rye. Just stay away when you put rye because this just jumps us so much. And this is now some coriander powder. I was not having fresh coriander, so I put coriander powder. If you have fresh, you can put that also. I am putting the onion puree. And this I have put it the onion puree and mixed also. Now we will just let it cook. You can see it is coming to a boil and it has cooked some. So now we will add turmeric powder, that is 1 tablespoon, and this is some garam masala, 1 tablespoon. Now just mix it well. You can see how nice color has come. let it cook. You can see it's just leaving the oil. So our mixture is ready. Now we will add the tomato puree. And mix it nicely. You can see how much nice color has come. We will just let it cook too, and just add a little bit water in this container so that the leftover puree also comes. Now you can see a very nice boil is coming into our sabji. Now it's cooked some, so I will just add a little bit of salt. This is 1 teaspoon salt. You can add as per your taste. Now just give it a nice mix. Now as it is boiling, so I will just put some grated ginger. And just spread it in all the directions and just mix it nicely. You can see how much nicely I am mixing it. You can see our mixture is cooked. How much nice color has come into our mixture. So now I am adding the sieved pasta in it. And mixing it also. Now I will add pizza and pasta sauce, 2 tablespoons. And give it a nice mix. You can see our pasta is some soupy. I like soupy pasta, that's why I have made soupy. If you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe and share it. Thank you.